Hello. And here again, we find ourselves with another year winding down quite rapidly. Mr. Dave Gatton has presented another challenge in the form of a CNC challenge. And this year, I would like to try doing something just a little bit different. Um, I would like to try using my 6090 laser. And what my plan is to take this canvas, blank painter's canvas, started off white, obviously. And I have already applied several coats of paint, yellow, blue, and black, in that order, respectively. And the plan is to be able to take it to the laser, etch it, and hopefully turn it into a respectable looking piece of wall art. Now, we're going to give this a try. My laser's a bit big for this project, truthfully. And hopefully we just don't make a whole lot of smoke. So let's run it out to the shop, get it set up, and see what happens.
Well, here we are. We're at the laser. Everything's all lined up. You're going to hear some background noise because of the blower system and the air pump. So let's go ahead and start it up. And hopefully as this is running, we'll play a little background music for you.